Guys, it's literally raining like hail. Get it? It actually is raining hail. Steelers are freaking winning from 9-7 against the freaking Steelers are winning against the Steelers are winning against the Kansas Chiefs. Where's my notification squad at? On their hashtag notification squad right now. And hashtag Steelers. Hashtag Steelers. Oh, God. Down there, guys. I'll come and find you while you're sleeping. Oh, let's freaking go. Go on, Steelers. Dude. If y'all like the Dallas Cowboys, y'all need to change to the freaking Packers. Guys, the freaking Packers won against... Oh, I'm throwing ice at me. Freaking Packers, guys, won against the Dallas Cowboys. You know how hyped I was. I was like, come on. I was screaming at the TV. And dude, know what's messed up? Okay, this kind of sucked. One freaking fell as the golf ball size.
No, not baseball. You're gonna have some damage.
Right there. I'm going inside. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm scared of that. No, I'm scared. Yeah, I need to charge my phone. It only has 2%. I'm putting it in. So this is like a tiny little vlog. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. This is part 1 of this today's. I'm gonna upload this video right now. It's raining like hail. That's another pen. Without a big oldie. I see a gigantic one. Oh my god. No, alright guys, no false alarm. It's just a baseball out there. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video. I'll see y'all tomorrow.